Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. In this video, I'm going to share with you a little tip in which you will get straight edges whenever you're working your double crochet rows. Now, before we get started, if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss a crochet tutorial. Now, for this tutorial, I've started with a chain 20 and I've worked my first double crochet row. And then I've continued with my straight edges using single crochets. So let's get started. To work the straight edges, I have started a small double crochet project here. I have started with the chain 20 and I worked my way back with one double crochet in each of the 20 chain stitches. Now, for the next row, you need to turn your work and you need to work one single crochet in the first stitch. That's right here. You work one single crochet. Now after you work your single crochet, you will have two loops. This is your first loop. This is your second loop. If you can see, this is your first loop. This is your second loop. Right here. Right into this loop, you need to work your second single crochet. So we're going to go right into the second loop and work one single crochet into that. Now this is how you start your row to get your straight edges. You need to work one single crochet right into this stitch and one single crochet in the second loop. We'll do that one more time. So you turn your work and you work one single crochet right into this stitch. Now you have two loops right here. This is your first one and this is your second loop. Right into that you work your second single crochet. And then you need to continue working one double crochet in your row. I've completed working the double crochets. This is the last one here, the last stitch. So you work one double crochet into that. And you turn your work. Now again, you're going to start the next row. So for that, you need to work one single crochet in this stitch right here. Now you have two loops. This is your first loop. This is your second loop. Right into the second one, you work one single crochet. And now you continue working one double crochet for the rest of this row. I've reached the end of this row and here you have your last stitch with the two single crochets that you worked. You need to work your last double crochet right into this stitch. If you can see, you have two stitches here, one single crochet. This is your second one, right into this one. You need to work your double crochet. And now you turn your work and you start with your single crochet again. You work your first single crochet right here. You have two loops, 1 and 2. Right into the second one, you work your second single crochet. And now you continue working your double crochets. I've completed working my double crochet, and you need to turn your row and continue working your single crochet in the same manner like we worked in the previous rows to get your straight edges. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.